Hello, in this video, I'll show you step by step how to create a professional event registration form using Bitform. Once you're inside the Bitform dashboard, simply click on Create New Form to get started. Bitform offers ready-to-use event registration form templates that save you time. But for this demonstration, I'll create one from scratch using a blank template. Now, just drag and drop the fields you need for your event. With Bitform, you can easily add first name, last name, drop-down menus, multiline text fields, and many more customizable options. Every field can be modified to match your requirements, ensuring the form is user-friendly and perfectly tailored to your event. Once you're happy with your design, click Update and publish the form. Next, copy the Bitform shortcode. Go to the Pages section in WordPress. Create a new page. Add a title. Paste the shortcode. And publish it. Now, open your live page. And you'll see your fully functional event registration form powered by Bitform, beautifully designed and working seamlessly. This is how simple it is to build an event registration form with Bitform. Start using Bitform today to create powerful, customizable, and conversion-focused forms for any event. Thank you for watching.